Welcome to Dex. In this video, you will learn how to send invoices to customers in Dex, whether individually or in bulk. From the Dex dashboard, go to Invoices and locate the invoice you want to send and open it. Use the Send Via options to choose how to share the invoice: email, SMS, or PDF download. To send by email, select Email. Dex opens a message with the invoice PDF attached. If the customer's email is available, it's filled in automatically, and you can edit the message before sending. To send by text, select SMS and enter the recipient's phone number. Dex includes a secure link so the customer can view the invoice online. Select PDF to download the invoice. You can then share it using your preferred tools. To send multiple invoices at once, select them in the grid and choose the Bulk Send option. Dex will send all selected invoices based on your configured settings. And that's how to send invoices in Dex. Flexible, fast, and designed to fit your workflow.